This is example 1 of lesson 4.2, comparing integers. Yesterday we talked about what integers were. Today we're comparing them. So let's start by completing each comparison using the less than or greater than symbols. Important thing to note on a number line. The farther a number goes left on a number line, the smaller it gets. And when it goes farther right, it gets bigger. You know that. You've known that for a long time. It does not change the more we go into negative numbers. So I don't care how big the number behind the negative sign is. It is still smaller than a number to its right, even if that number has fewer digits. Negative 400 is smaller than anything to the right of it on the number line. It's just the way the number lines work. So let's look at these numbers. What we're going to do is we're going to place them on the number line, and then we're going to see which one is farther left or right, and then put the right symbol in. So let's go ahead and start placing some numbers. In the first corner, we have negative 4 and 0. So let's start by finding negative 4. Negative 4, if I can get my mouse to work. This is the second time this has happened today. Thank you. Negative 4, right there, bam. And 0, bam. Which one's farther right? Well, 0 is farther right. So negative 4 is less than, use the less than symbol, 0. Negative 4 is less than 0 because it is farther to the left. That means it is smaller. Let's look at this one. Negative 3 and negative 5, we'll start by finding them on the number line. Negative 3 is right here. Negative 5 is right here. Which one is farther to the left? Ooh, it's negative 5 this time, boys and girls. So negative 3 is larger, greater than negative 5. Negative 3 is greater than negative 5. Who would have thunk it? People who know the negative numbers. And now you do as well. Negative 6, right here. And positive 7, way over here to the right. Which means, if it's way this far to the right, that means it's much bigger than negative 6. Which means that negative 6 is the greater number. The opening of our symbol is going to look towards it. It's the less than symbol. Negative 6 is less than 7. 7 is greater than negative 6. Negative 6 is less than 7. So just plop your numbers in a number line, and then see which one's farther left. Positive numbers will always be greater than negative numbers. Negative numbers will always be smaller, less than positive numbers. So if you're comparing a positive and a negative, the little alligator is going to eat the positive number. And if you're comparing two negatives, the smaller one is bigger, which, when you put it that way, doesn't make a lot of sense. But the number to the right is larger. The number to the left in the number line is smaller. And that's it.